Hello everyone, my name is Tazeen Mahek Sheikh and I am from Priyadarshini Lokmanya Tilak Institute of Management Studies. I am a contestant of Digital Minds 21 and here for a video competition on Digital Integrated Marketing Campaign. My product is Menstrual Cups. In this video, we are going to cover introduction about the product, target audience according to the product, digital marketing strategies used for the product, and how to apply those digital marketing strategies on the product. Now, let us have a short introduction about the product Menstrual Cup. What is a menstrual cup? Menstrual cup is a product which is used for menstrual hygiene. It is known for its hygiene purpose. Its purpose is to collect menstrual fluid and prevent its leaking onto clothes. Menstrual cups are sustainable and eco-friendly. Unlike sanitary pads and tantrums, they do less damage to the environment. They are made of latex, thermoplastic, and silicone. Target audience. What are the target audience? Target audience are those who are going to use this product or the company is going to use this audience for their marketing. According to me, target audience for this products would be women, people working in NGOs and males. Women because menstrual is a cyclic process which women goes through every month. Make them aware of these hygiene and simplicity in using these cups. NGOs. For the welfare sector who are working for women, as we all know, NGO is a sector who provide useful things to needy. How will be men useful as a target audience for this product? They may be helpful in marketing strategies after they come to know about the product, as it will be helpful for their loved one to be protected and stay healthy. Now, let's come to the topic digital marketing strategy through which we are going to promote our product Menstrual Cup. Everyone is quite aware about the topic marketing. Marketing is a process through which companies promote their goods or services to the people. Strategy is the planning through which the product is reached to the consumers. Digital is means not going door to door and connected online. Digital marketing strategies are divided into two types, that is organic and paid. Organic. It is a social media activity without a paid promotion. It uses free social media tools to build and engage with online performances. Organic digital marketing strategies are divided into four. SEO, search engine organization, content marketing, online reputation management, and social media. Paid digital marketing. It is a method of displaying advertisements or sponsorship marketing messages on popular social media platforms, and target is to specify the specific goal. It can be stated as Google advertisements, email marketing, influencer marketing, and social media marketing. Search engine optimization. It means the process of improving your site to increase its visibility for relevant searches. The better visibility your pages have in research results, the more likely you will be able to gather attention and attract prospective and existing customers to your business. It gives users more direct answers and information that is more likely to keep users on the result page and instead of driving them to other websites. Here are some methods which we can implement on our product by using digital marketing by search engine optimization. Content marketing strategy. It is a strategy of marketing approach focused on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent topics to attract and reconstruct a clearly defined audience and ultimately to drive profitable customer action. It includes things like educational articles, ebooks, videos, entertainment, and webinars. People have specific questions and provide them with something they can get anywhere else. We can use this content marketing and provide awareness about the product into the consumers very easily. What is ORM? ORS Online Reputation Management. Online reputation management refers to influencing and controlling or concealing of an individual or group reputation. Originally, a public reaction to the growth of the internet and social media led to growth of reputation management. Companies need this reputation management for their production of the product. Made such results can make core part and an individual or group reputation. For now, the management of product and services search results within the digital space. That is why it is common to see some suggested links. We can maintain our reputation by reviews, responses by customers, and how does the customer feel about your product personally. Let's come up with social marketing strategies. Social marketing strategy is the use of social media platforms and websites to promote a product or services. There are two types of social media strategies, that is organic and paid. Organic social media strategy is a strategy through which a product or services is promoted through e-marketing and digital marketing and are still dominant in academy. Social media marketing is becoming more popular for researchers. How can we define our goal through organic marketing strategy? Select a social media platform, let the tool empower and socialize your brand. Share, like, and post as much as the product needs. Paid social media. Paid social media is a method of displaying advertisement or sponsored marketing messages on popular social media platforms and targeting a specific audience. How do people get paid for social marketing media is a basic question. Sponsored partnerships through promotions, promotion of services through video ads, through conducting several paid webinars. Let's go with our next paid advertisement, that is Google Ads strategy. Google advertisement strategy is an online advertisement program. Through Google Ads, you can create online ads to reach people exactly when they are interested in the product and services that can be offered. The program allows you to create online ads to reach audiences that are inserted in the product and services we offer. There are two types of Google Ads: Search Network Campaign and Display Network Campaign. Search Network Campaign usually text from Google and results in different pages. Display Network Campaign are a type of campaign where we have images and videos of the product. Quality of the product matters a lot in Google because most of the people go to search about the quality on Google. Keyword is a part of Google as many of the people come around various products daily. Paid email marketing strategy. It is an act of sending commercial messages typically to a group of people using emails. It is broadcast sense. Every email sent to a potential or current customer would be considered as email. It is a basic and a very unique method of marketing, which attracts customers through various offers and messages. It involves using emails to send advertisements, requests, business sales. Sending emails with the purpose of enhancing a merchant relationship with current and loyal customers. Email marketing is a basic marketing strategy as phone being a part of our daily life has become a daily routine. Now coming to our last paid topic, which is influencer marketing strategy. For social media marketing involving endorsement and product placement from influencer, people and organizations who have an expert level of knowledge or social influence in their field. Influencers play a vital role in potential buyers or may be involved as a third party. These third parties can be seen in supply chain and value-added influencers. Many of the companies uses these methods as a strategy of their production system and strategy for their marketing system. 80% of the marketers depends upon this strategy for their consumption. Influencing the followers can be done by social media influencer in a very creative way. They can create webinars and tell the people about its pros and cons in detailed information. Now we have come to an end of digital marketing strategies for Menstrual Cup. I hope I was able to clear each and every point regarding to digital marketing strategy. I thank Kartik Uttava sir for his support and Sanchal ma'am for her support. I thank organization to conduct this competition and hope you will use your digital marketing strategy to make me win this competition. Thank you. Please do like and share my video as much as you can.